Alright, so let's now make a test run sa website mo. Because basically, if you want to have a successful na pag-launch ng website mo or pag-launch, pag-start na mag-accept ka ng orders from your customer, it is very, very crucial na matest mo muna yung website mo before you do in actual na pag-promote. Right? So, before I proceed, let me give you some story muna kasi merong isang wedding planner. And ang ginawa niya is, of course, na-arrange na niya na lahat, no? He already placed the flowers, the altar where the wedding will be held, right? The chairs are being, ayan, sa picture, you can see in the picture, may cover na yung mga bangko, and so on and so forth. Ready na lahat. But here's the problem. They don't test the audio system. Alright, so when the wedding comes in, when the wedding day, it was the all everything is being prepared, but they don't test run the audio. So nung naganap na yung kasalan and tragedy happened, nagkaroon ng problema sa speaker, the speaker didn't sound. It sound a little bit, but afterwards nawala, and then all of the things that happened in the wedding came into disaster. And of course, malaking kabiguan yun for the wedding planner. So, on the next time na gagawa na yung planning or planner ng wedding, he make sure that he test run all everything, including the audio system in his wedding arrangement. All right? So, I would like to show you how you can test run because of that, what happened to the wedding planner. It is also crucial to test run your website before you can proceed in accepting orders or showing your website to your customers. All right, so here, as you can see here, I have already uploaded these 4 products here, and I have already uploaded a category. All right, so what you can do is we start ordering. So let's say you are now ready, you already have test run, so you can now proceed with the ordering with the customer. Again, in order to test your website, you just need to go to your admin account and then go to setting, and here in your setting you will find your website link. So make sure to know this website link of yours, because napaka-crucial nito, because this is the link that you'll give to your customers so that the customers will land into your website. All right, so I'm gonna copy this one, and in order for you to test your website, use an incognito. If you are in the Google Chrome, use incognito, but in I think in Edge, it's a private browsing, I think. But usually all of us is using Google Chrome, so go to new incognito. So there is a 3 dots here at the upper right corner of your Google Chrome, right? And then choose this new incognito window, and it will open up a new window incognito. Right? This is incognito means it is a browser. It is a fresh browser without cache, without any history of the browsing. Okay, and then when you open your website link in incognito, it is the same thing that you give your website link to your customer, and it is the first time that a customer open your website link. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this here because that is how the customer looks. That in the end, at the end of the customer, this is how it is usually what will happen. Okay, so when they go to your website first, so this is what you're gonna see. Gonna see your website, gonna see your images here. Okay, as you can see, the image are being loaded because this is the first time that the customer opens your website. For example, you have a lot of products here. So for example, customer will order this one. So out of stock because we don't need put a quantity there. So for example, this Bear Brand thing here, let's add this one. So let's say the customer will order 5 pieces of this. You go to cart, this one. Then he will going to choose another product, this one. For example, I'm gonna add this one, and then let's proceed with 5 pieces of this also. So go to cart, there you have it. Then you can click shop more, and to shop more, to choose more products. So add this to cart. So let's say I'm gonna buy 2 of this. can click continue, it will go back to the page. But if you want to go back to the cart, you can click here cart at the menu. So click the cart, and there you have it. So once the all the orders have been placed and the customer want to check it out, the customer needs to register first his account. He needs an email or a mobile number. So if he gonna click this proceed to checkout, he will be redirected to the login page. But since he don't have an account yet, he needs to register, or he could directly go to register to checkout here. So most likely this is the button that the customer will going to click. So proceed to checkout, and then he must be registered first. Must register. So full name. So we say Juan de la Cruz. So this is the name of the customer, and then shall we say his email address is juan.dela.cruz dot, so we say 2025 at gmail.com. So that's his email. Then his phone number, random number lang, 0986. Random number lang yan. Password. So he needs to nominate his own password. Sorry. Okay, so that's his password. So he'll need to have a valid password. Okay, there you have it. So submit for registration. And then he'll gonna be back again. As you can see here, at the rightmost corner or top right corner of his at the end of the customer, he'll gonna see his name here. Okay, so he'll gonna go back again to the cart, and he can now proceed. As you can see here, there is a proceed to checkout button, right? So proceed to checkout. Then he'll gonna place his country, right? His province. So we say he's from Cebu. Okay. And then Bogo City, and then so we'll say this is Dakit Bogo or Bugo. So correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so we'll say he's from Purok 3. So we'll say Waling Street. No, so Waling Street, Bogo, Davao City. Bogo, Cebu City. So zip code. So maybe zip code is not a requirements, but he can place or not there. And then as you can see here, since we have added a payment option on the previous video, the payment option that we have added there is being placed here, right? So the customer can choose, for example, GCash. Then he can now check out. So let's check out, and he will be redirected to this order details of him. So as you can see, I have told you a while on the previous video that the customer doesn't have an admin account. So there is no admin link here. The only thing that they have is this one. So if you are an admin, you have an admin link here so that you can go to your admin account. So this one is the buyer's account of your own customer. So every customers you have will have this account, right? Now, what he's gonna do next? So send screenshot here. So this is the one that we have set up on the previously on adding a payment, right? So send screenshot to our fan page. So if the customer, so he'll gonna pay this amount here, 355.53. Send it to your GCash account, and once he is finished with payment, so he'll gonna click this send screenshot here. This is the setup that we have done on the previous video. So since send screenshot here is the button text that we have added there, so this is one ang nakikita niya. So if he gonna click that one, he will be redirected to my fan page. Okay, this content is not available, but basically this is the page, or this is the link that I have placed there. So if this is okay, or if I'm gonna change that one, right? So let's say we go back here in my admin account, and if I've changed that payment option, this one here, edit the GCash. So instead here, this is not the link, or that is not the actual link of my fan page. So I'm gonna get the link of my fan page here, one here, right? And I want to place it here, update, and then if I go back to the customer side, right? So let's refresh this one, and then I'm going to click this one, right? There you have it. It goes to my fan page, right? So if it is a payment link, if you put a payment link here. So we say we're gonna edit this GCash here. We're gonna put the payment link here. You have Zendit, or you have what to call this, you have PayPal, or you have ano pa ba, you have a whatever payment link that you have. You're gonna place it here, and it will be redirected to the payment link so that the customer will pay. So that's it for adding for testing the website. If everything goes okay and it is good, then you can now proceed with the next topic, which is where I'm going to show you how you can manage the orders, because these orders of Juan de la Cruz, you can also see that one in your admin account. So if you go back here, so we already discussed the category, the brand, the payment, all right, the adding of products, but we haven't talked about these orders menu here in your admin account. So this is admin account. Since this, I am logging in now to my admin account. So if I'm going to click orders here, as you can see here, this is where let's refresh first. Oh, let's where is the order of the let's log out first, and then let's log in again, so that I could show you that the order of the customer is being placed or is being shown here in my order stuff. If I log in again and I go back here, right, there you have it. Sorry. If I go to orders, and there you have it, the order of, what's the name of that? Sorry, this is not the account. Sorry. That was just my account. So I'm going to log into the account that I have created a while ago on my previous video. I'm going to go here, and there you have it. If I go to orders, there you have it, the payment or the orders of Juan de la Cruz, which is the one that we have done the dry run here. This is the order of Juan de la Cruz. And if I go to my admin account, under orders, this is where napupunta or nakikita yung mga pumapasok na orders ng customer. So make sure to refresh or to log out first and then log in again, so that you will gonna be you're going to notice, or you're going to see the orders that have come in. So this is the actual amount, 355.63. So the next thing that we're going to do in the next video is how you gonna what's the thing that you can do after seeing the orders coming in into your website or into your account or your admin account. Okay? So ano yung mga susunod na gagawin after this receive. So go now to the next video so that you can process the whole, or you can do the process of the logistics, the fulfillment of your customer's order. All right? So go now to the next video.